Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. How's it going, children? Are you fine? Okay. I believe all are very fine. So, today we will discuss the multiplication of large numbers with 3-digit number. We have already found the multiplication of large numbers with 2-digit number. Today we will do the multiplication with 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit number. And one more thing, one photo is there in your notes is the last class's note. That means first page of last class. If you have completed that note, no problem. If anybody facing the problem to copy, you can use the first photo of our notes. Other two pages are as usual notes for this class. Okay. So are you doing the multiplication problems well in your rough book? But some children put the mistake there while multiplying the problems is you are multiplying instead of ones digit, you are using the tens digit at first. It is wrong. You have to multiply at first with the unit place digit, then the tens place digit. Okay, so be very careful while doing the problem. We can do the problems. Okay. Next topic, multiplication by a 3-digit number. Last class we calculated the product of two numbers in which one is large numbers and the second one was 2-digit number. Here first one large number and the second one a 3-digit number. We can check how we multiply these two numbers. So first we will multiply this number with 1-digit number. Ones place digit. That means unit number. Unit place number. Okay. 6 fours are 24. So we will write here 4 and 2 balance. Okay. Then 5 fours are 20. 20 plus this 2, 22. 2 we will write here. Then again 2 balance. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 plus 2, 14. 4 we will write here. 1 balance. Again 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. This is the first product we got by multiplying with 4. You understood this method? So, 4356 into 4. Next digit, tens place digit is 4. So, its value is actually 40. We have to multiply this number with 40. So, first we will multiply with 4 and add 0 or put 0 in the ones place. Okay. So, 4356 into 40. First we put 10 here because we are multiplying with 40. Instead multiply with 40, we will multiply with 4 and put 10 in the ones place. Okay, so we will again multiply this tens place digit. Again 6 fours are 24, 2 balance, then 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22, again 2 balance, then 3 fours are 12 plus 2, 14, 1 balance, then 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. Then ones place over, tens place multiplication over next place is 100. Digit is 1. So we will multiply this number with this 1. Actually we multiply with 100. So at first we will put ones place, tens place, 0. Then we will multiply the digit with 1 and write here in the hundreds place. Okay. 6 1 6, 5 1 5, 3 1 3 and 4 into 1 4. So multiplication with these 3 digits over. At last we want to add these 3 numbers. We have to add these 3 numbers. Then we can add here. Okay. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6 or 6 into 2? 12. Then 1 is remaining there. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 5, 17. Then 7. Then remainder 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 7, 9 plus 3, 12. Then we put 2 here. Then 1 carry over here. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6. So we got the answer as this one here. Which is the number? This one here. 3 2. 6,27,264 is the product. 6,27,264. So you understood the method how to multiply a large number with a 3-digit number. First we multiply with the ones digit number. Ones place is here 4. Then we multiply this number with 4. We got this answer. Next we multiply with the tens digit. In the review test answers, I found in the multiplication of 2-digit number, first some children multiplied with the 10-digit number. No. In any multiplication, you start with ones place, this place. Okay. Next we will multiply with the tens digit. Then first we will put ones place digit as 0. And then continue as before multiplication with this digit. Then again in the hundreds place digit. Then before starting multiplication we will put 2 zeros here because 100 contains 2 zeros. So put 2 zeros and then start to multiply with the digit. Okay. At last we will add these 3 numbers to get the product of these 2 given numbers. Okay. You understood method? Children, do carefully because someone is adding instead here. Someone multiplied this and the result will be wrong. Next question. 3612 into 438. So as usual you multiply with this 8, you will get this number. Then we will multiply with 3, that's in the tens place. So at first we will add 1 0 and then continue your multiplication with 3. Next we multiply with 4, that's in the hundreds place. So this number into 400. 400. Add 2 zeros at first and multiply with 4. Okay. Then add these 3 numbers together. We will get 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 5. 1 balance. 8 plus 1 9 plus 3 12 plus 8 20. 0. 2 balance. Then 8 plus 2 10 plus 8 18 plus 4 22. 2 balance. 2 plus 2 4 plus 0 4 plus 4 8. Then 1 plus 4 5. 1 is here. So we got the answer 15,82,056. This is the method you have to multiply a large number by a 3-digit number. Okay children, you understood? Next our topic is special case of zeros. While we multiply a number with zeros over 1, that means 10, 100, 1000, etc. we can multiply like this. Very easy. Here 125 into 10. How many zeros in 10? 1 0. So you write 125 with 1 0. Therefore, this number into 10 will get 1250. Okay. Then multiply with 100. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. First we put 2 zeros. Then 235 into 1, 235. Okay. Then next number 346 into 1000. In 1000, how many zeros are there? In 1000, 3 zeros. Okay. So at first we will write 346 into 1, 346. Then put 3 zeros at right. Okay. Next, here in all these 3 cases, zeros over 1 was there. 10, 100, 1000. But in the fourth question, here not 1. Here it is 3. So you multiply with this 3 here. How many zeros altogether in these two numbers? Here 1, 2 and here 1. So total 3 zeros in the given numbers. So here 3 zeros. Then except 0, how many digits are there? 25 and 3. 25 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. 1 balance. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. That means 25 into 3, 75. And then we put these 3 zeros together with the 75. Next, 540 into 100. 54 into 1, 54. Zeros 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. We put 3 zeros together with this 54. Next, 6,700 into 300. 67 into 3 we calculated first. 7 into 3, 21. 2 balance. 6 into 3, 18 plus 2, 20. So 67 into 3, 201. Then how many zeros are there? Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2. Total 4 zeros. Then after 201 we put 4 zeros. Okay. So this is the way you have to multiply a number with the number with zeros. How many zeros are there? You put together with the product at the right correct place. Okay. So this is the class, today's class for you. Before that, one point is there. As the last class's notes, first page, some students told it was not clear. So I am resending that page, that note together with these notes. First page of last class. So if anyone copied the notes, no problem. If anyone was facing the problem to copy, look this page. The additional page I am attaching here. Use that page and you complete the notes. One multiplication problem only in that page. Okay children, thank you. So use this way and you find the product and do more problems in your notebook. Okay.